Okay, I'm going to show you how you can upload a document or file or picture in case you want to do your work in your notebook, take a picture of it, and then upload it so that we can see it. So you're going to want to click on the Add or Create button. This is where you can create any new document. You can create a document on the computer, document, slides, sheets, drawings. You can upload from your Google Drive, from your PS376 account. You can upload a link, but we want to choose a file because this is going to be from your own computer or tablet. So I'm going to choose upload, and I want to take it from my computer, so I need to browse my computer. If you are on a tablet, it will take the information from your tablet. I'm saving it from my desktop, so I'm going to upload my reading log for week 2. You need to select the image or document or file that you want to upload. You're going to click choose. It's going to upload. And now it is done. So now, as soon as I click turn in, it will submit it to your teacher and we will see it from there.